Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aries. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards here. We have Four of Pentacles, Hermit in reverse, and Fool. So, Aries, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone feeling really cheerful and confident about certain things. Maybe you are skilled and talented, you are putting in a lot of efforts and you are working with dedication, guys. And maybe in your situation, you are making some important choices today, important decisions. And it may be for some of you, you are making impulsive choices. So that is not going to work well, guys. So if you are making some important choices today, Aries, you must do it with clarity. Even in your relationship, you have some choices before you. You want to, maybe this person is interested in commitment, marriage, so they are interested to take that next step. Maybe. But you should not rush into that, guys. Maybe you need to be more cautious, you need to be more careful today. So for some of you, you are just going with that choice, whatever comes to your mind. Impulsive actions, impulsive decisions without deep thought. That is going to land you in some difficulties, guys. And you are someone who is, quite adamant about certain things. You don't want to listen to anyone. Maybe your friends or family, they may be trying to counsel you, trying to tell you certain things you need to do, maybe things you need to change for the better for yourself, guys, because they are truly concerned about you. But you are someone who is really, goes by whatever you believe in. You have your own beliefs and you have your own ideas about certain thing, and you want to stick to that no matter what. You don't want to change for anyone, and that may be the reason for some troubles in this relationship, guys. Maybe if you want a positive, meaningful relationship, Aries, you must work in a more friendly way. You must listen to them just like you expect that other person to listen to you. And impulsive choices will never work in your life, never going to work in any situation, guys. So you must think and decide carefully. And if it is in your relationship, you must include that other person also, their suggestions, their views, their vision also in any decision you are making. So you must be really friendly if you want a positive, meaningful relationship. So the same way in your work situation, guys. Just like your vision, the people you work with, they may have a lot of ideas, a lot of experience. So you must have that communication, guys. Good communication is going to help you, Aries. So that is what I see, guys. So if you want success and prosperity in your career, you must work with people, try to listen to them, implement good ideas, So that is what I see with these cards, guys. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, Aries, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So we have Never Ending Story. This is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, guys, in your relationship, in your circumstances today, you are repeatedly going through in your mind what happened, guys, what happened in your past. All that pain, that loneliness, abandonment, and rejection that you felt. And you instead of telling the happy things that you experienced, the joy you had, the love you experienced, and that deep bond and connection you had with that person, you are thinking and remembering the negative aspects of that relationship, and maybe that shame and fear and low self-esteem may be the greatest challenges you are facing that is preventing you from having a good relationship today. So your past and all that pain and fear of intimacy, maybe telling this person you are with all your pain and whatever happened in your past, that is the reason for stress and emotional baggage in this relationship, guys, and that is causing lot of problems for you in this connection, guys. So you need to have compassion for yourself, forgive yourself for whatever happened, and tell yourself a positive story, the way you were, the way the relationship was. So all that positive things that happened, and you can do it, because whatever you are telling yourself right now, it is only your point of view. It may be that story may be entirely different with that other person, guys. So you have to tell yourself positive things, have positive thoughts in your mind, and be positive today, and that is what is going to break the story of sadness and pain. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So for those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is Hansel, Survival. So with this card, guys, it just means that you should not be gullible. You should not be that innocent person who will fall for others' tricks. So you should use your wits, think fast, and access your inner genius and work out the way. Maybe you need to overcome your fear. You may feel fear, you may be afraid of certain things, but that fear should bring about smartest thinking and smart action in your circumstances, giving you courage and strength to handle your situation. So opportunity is there for you to work with someone. Maybe there is another person just like you, they are just hurt like you, and they are here to help you maybe, and you can make use of this help you are getting today, guys. And no matter what your situation is, no matter how big challenges you are facing in this relationship or in your life, in your work situation or wherever it is, guys. You are you are a very compassionate person and you have your own skills and talents. You need to have that trust in yourself, guys. And you must implement the clever ideas that you have within you today to avoid further difficulties, and you are a greatest inspiration. So whatever challenging situation you are in, guys, you find the right way to come out of it, and you have leadership skills and you are a very compassionate and kind person. You help others, so that may be the reason people love you and people appreciate you for that. So maybe circumstance or there is someone waiting to put you down or pull you down, but you need to show them your strength, your true strength, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.